This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Me editor no here do you
I can paper ko. You the paper be a chairman. You see me celebrating mediocrity na me see my commission toilet.
Oh.
Na raka me onim say un line sebi em ko toilet da. Obi bia no mo obi o say mediocrity. First time I me flash toilet PRESEC dey go.
Oh boy.
Me catch you raka. The first time I'm a flashable toilet PRESEC dey go. Raka me e bia free na o wa. Raka me free range na man nyina yakobida. Enti me shami nua na wasalaya. The me dwini say na di way I lock no na esi forma. Na be na be dunu so. Enti this world
at the one kind. Okay, I can we answer.
Yo, but title no cry hard dream. Na title no cry hard.
You must have been kind of sure. A disclaimer is appropriate at this time.
Okay.
I'm not for any reason saying construction of a toilet in a community is not important, especially one where Dr. Bernard Okoe Boye comes from. My concern, however, is the commissioning.
Okay, so actually that.
What is it?
Okay.
But
this is the first
commission.
Okay, I shouldn't have.
It is titled Okoe Boye, Toilet and Celebration of Mediocrity.
Because the nature of the game, no, conflict prone. Just a walk up behind a dear no man for crowd, be that traffic. Into a button.
And Abdurazak Boy could be anybody.
I'm a friend now. But I say, only I tell mommy.
Hey, but I can't understand for us himself. Oh, boy, and brutal.
No, she had both tire.
I see a desperate.
Only headline we have to know. Just a 1 minute bar.
He is giving a life to his fading ambition. Some make Okoe Boye says not a very complimentary write-up. Sana Kwesi Pride says, "Oh, you disclaimer and if you all can." I'll say he is giving a life to his fading ambition. His latest attempt at reminding the people that he is there for them was the commissioning of a 20-seater toilet facility.
Now only the Makai. You throw baby for penyin bi wo kroma. He use a phrase. Phrase no, I don't know where he got it from. This one said be me procure, but he use rent. Rakamina obi amenya nshi me ko be a toilet and make na fade ambition we nyina. Just obi asebi.
I had huge respect for Okoe Boye, but to think he can also stoop so low to play to the gallery baffles me. Okoe Boye's continuous embarrassment of the good people of Lejikuku is akin to the proverbial macabre dance of the absurd. Kings dancing naked in the arena in the self-delusion that they're entertaining the audience. It is nauseating. It is nauseating. It makes one puke. It makes one sick. It annoys. It irritates. But it must be tolerated, and it is even necessary. If I make a last one, because I see him beside him.
Now, before we civil society, and one bro,
yes, let those close to Okoe Boye ask him in all sincerity if he thinks constructing a toilet in this digital age and age of advancement is the best legacy he wishes to bequeath to his people. Do you think it's the best?
Now, Momo, come on, pay your show, man, or Bissau. I said, or the prophet will call your man.
Oku,
yes, sir.
Paddy small sonny.
Come on, town, we cry.
Only last paragraph in your beer. Last paragraph. In all, Okoe Boye is a bad product, and the annoying inconsistency trailing his inordinate desire to go back to Parliament adds to the heavy baggage he drags along with his vaunting ambition.
The guy can write.
But the noble for I'm sure you have a thick skin. We will say public space. You're too so big more public space. Yeah,
Chairman, Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.